Hi! Today on Travel Around Suzy, we are gonna do a van tour of my van. If you go back on my channel, and I'll link it in the description below, but I have another tour of a different van. It is a 3500 where mine is a 1500, but it is a Chevy. His is a few years newer than mine, but his was made by Pleasureway. And mine is a DIY. His sticker price, I think he said $95,000 when it was brand new. Mine was a regular van bought, then aftermarket got the high top put onto it, and then it had a wheelchair lift. I'm gonna take you on a tour of my van and let you see the difference between a factory built and a DIY. In the front, it is a normal dash, steering, radio. I did add to my van. I have it here for extra cords. I do have hooks because I do have long hair and I'm always putting it in a ponytail. I did buy this extra, it's actually a beach lounger. It's yellow, but I just put a seat cover over it. When it's not in use, it just sits on the bed. Vit Summit, I'm still on a high from Vit Summit. You are a content creator. This is ultimate. This is a map of everywhere this van has been. One of the things that I'm very happy about is my solar system. I have installed it. I took the door panels off from some of my doors to make extra storage. All my electrical is pretty much in this door, but this is a 100-watt amp lithium battery, and then on top here I have two 240-watt solar panels. And this is the outside of my Maxx Air fan. And the one reason why I love this Maxx Air fan is because I can have pouring down raining and still leave it open. I really love that feature. Now this is what I use for my awning. It just clips on, and then I have two poles that come out and covers up my entrance. It's an aluminum roof rack, and we built this ourselves. It is a tilting rack. This rack can tilt left or right at almost a 45-degree angle. This is the back of the van. And let me show you what's in the back. This is a fan that I can turn on, and with the window open, it will suck air in, and then the Maxx Air fan can suck air out. I have more storage down in here. This is my clothesline. Obviously need squirt guns, gotta play with my grandson. This is all my storage. This is my water tank. I do not have any plumbing under the van. I have first aid kits all around. Camping chairs. I have an awning that hooks up to my van. I have a video on this, so I will not take this out, but this is my kitchen that is for outside. I have a table in here. I have a grill back here. I have tools and tools and tools. This is a 2-gallon diesel tank that I've modified to run my diesel heater. And then this is what my mattress is sitting on. It's just a board. Because I use my van in various different ways, this is my blackout curtain. I shut this from the cab and nobody knows that I'm in here. I have all my lights on and nobody can see me. I have extra storage up there, mainly cords. My grandson loves to help decorate my van, and then I use little storage hacks like this. This has got a couple cords into it, cord wraps. That is my hanging closet. Most of the clothes I wear does not need to be hung other than my shirts when I go out dancing. I have 4 LED lights plus the normal lights, Maxx Air fan for ventilation, blackout curtains all the way around. DIY storage hacks for cleaning supplies. For heat system, I have the diesel heater. I absolutely recommend that for anybody that is building out a van or a rig. That is an absolute necessity. I love that thing, and I believe that anybody could install that. I do have a pipe that sticks up so it heats more here, but that's again a DIY. It has 4 ports onto it. This is my bathroom / chair when I'm doing cooking or film work. And then this folds into my desk. You can see my refrigerator, food storage. My refrigerator. I do not have AC. I have a Maxx Air fan. I purchased the van used for about $7,000. Everything that I have done in my van has cost me an extra $3,000. So therefore, I've got about $10,000 in my van. That is my van, the spaceship. And Mr. Eddie, who is always riding with me. So if you ever see this spaceship cruising down the road or pulled over somewhere and you want to stop and say hi, make sure you stop and say hi. Safe travels, and I will link the video of a $95,000 rig in this box here or here. So make sure that you click on that. 2 styles of vans. Either one, if you're a non-builder, don't want to do anything to the rig, his van is perfect. If you're a DIYer like me, want to save some money to customize it your style, then maybe this is a better fit for you. Either way, get out, travel, enjoy life. Safe travels.